Ethereum versus dollar through each important time frame. Why? Because we are at the pivotal point of a reversal in either direction you imagine. On the daily chart of Ethereum versus dollar, one line will be sufficient. Why? Because it's showing you the clear uptrend that started in January, the confirmation of the same with this beautiful hammer candle, and unfortunately a breakdown. Here with this big candle we broke it. So at that point you should have been bearish. But here, after the big retracement, we are forming that beautiful, look at this candle, this really schoolbook example of hammer that is giving us this burst to the upside that probably neither me, neither you expected. So what's going on right now? First of all, a few days ago, here we bumped into a heavy resistance and you can see this huge wick. I thought this will be the reversal to the downside, but no, yesterday Ethereum broke above this trend line, so it's back again on this trajectory to the upside. This is very bullish if it can hold this line as a support. So right now Ethereum is looking super bullish if it can hold the line. So it's not bullish without consequences. Hold the line, and if you see a reversal today below 1750-ish, something like that, below, it's not a good thing. If Ethereum starts to do this, go below this very important line, it's going to the upside, it will go lower, and possibility much lower. But if it will hold this line, then we're back on the tracks, baby. So in the short term, for now, Ethereum is looking bullish. Something like this would be the optimal scenario, regaining this support line as a support and then go to high grounds. So keep an eye. This is what I said, this is a pivotal point. If we break again below it like here, it will be a problem. If not, it will be celebration. This is the zoomed out chart of Ethereum on the weekly. So every candle is 1 week. This is the grand picture and the one that you should be watching. Now check this out. Now, this is something so exciting. I don't think that I can emphasize this. So, the high of November of 2021, 4,800 something. Retest of a downtrend in April of 2022. Here I made a video saying that Ethereum is far weaker than Bitcoin and that is below this downward sloping trend line. Still in a clear downtrend. Although it made this move, it was still very weak. But what's happening this week, ladies and gentlemen? First of all, let me comment on this guy over here. Look at this hammer with the huge wick to the downside. This is super bullish. And you are seeing the results of it. The volume is coming this week, and we are, in fact, just right now, breaking above this trend line very clearly. This is what I said. This is a super exciting stuff. Ethereum may be ending the downtrend officially, if you believe in this trend line. Pivotal things are happening exactly this week. We are breaking the trend line. We just need to hold it. In that medium long term, we need to stay above the levels of around 1,650 to reclaim this support, to make it support after such big periods of resistance. We don't need to make anything complicated out of this. Hold the line and go into the bull market. Except, this is a word of warning, if we go into the bull market, be smart and don't expect a move like this right off the bat. You know that it is possible that we retest those regions, for example like this. If Ethereum can make higher grounds into the $2,000 areas and then go back into the, for example, 1,400 and then start the bull market. Those are all the possibilities. We are setting up very nicely. No one said you can't see lower targets anymore. And if you are a subscriber of mine and watch my videos, you know that I think that way on any coin. Nothing is declared as a clear bull with no setbacks. Remember that. Things are looking excellent right with today's weekly candle. And now the monthly chart. Oh boy, the big picture. What line should we draw? I think I'll do the one I made on the Bitcoin chart. I think something like this is suiting the big picture. We can, yes, adjust it higher, lower, but check this out. This is the same situation similar to the Bitcoin chart. I decided to use this point as a very important support here in 2016, before the big burst to the 2017 bull market top. Then I decided to use this box, this price action here, when we first touched it, then got a little lower, but got ourselves back up and made a 2021 bull market. Now, here comes the interesting part. On the monthly chart, a breakdown and attempt of Ethereum to go back above it. It failed, and now building below it. Now, in the long term, that could be significant and showing some weakness. I'm talking 10, 12 years, who cares? But in the next few months, years, this is not concern for me. Because how about we now made the support our resistance but make into the bull market? Is this something that looks okay to you? For me it does. Why? Well, friends, this little box that you are barely seeing here is Ethereum at around 13,000 or something like that. Of course, this is right off the bat, not calculated, I just drew it out of my mind. Thing is, USDC higher Ethereum touched the resistance, and same as Bitcoin, after that bull run, be in the danger of something far more severe. That could be something that's lasting for years. I'm talking about the bear market in crypto, the winter that is lasting for years. For now, if we do this scenario, retest this line of resistance, expect a very nice bull market and the happy faces, just with Bitcoin, and then friends that you are following. If you have any thoughts about this, tell it to the dinosaur. He's about to roar, and you're about to watch his next video.